People are really loud today. Hi guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing July's BoxyCharm unboxing. So I'm really interested to see what comes in this box because I've been on vacation for the last 2 weeks and I haven't seen any of the spoilers. I have no idea what's coming in this box. So I'm really excited because this is like the first time ever that I don't know what any of the items are. Like I have absolutely no idea. So let's just crack into this box. How do I open it? Ah! Got it. Alright, so when I open the box this month, this is what it looks like. It is so we get the Skin Bar LMS, the Ulta Beauty Ready for Flash Facial, July 17th to August 3rd, $10 at the Ulta Skin Bar. So it's a coupon, I believe. I don't know how this works. Oh, call your local Ulta Beauty for an appointment at the Skin Bar. We don't have Ulta in Canada, so useless for me. So here is the little card that we get every month, and it says Au Naturel, and it's BoxyCharm. It's actually really cute, and it gives us all the information on what we are getting in this month's box. So the first thing that I see is an LMS cream. So this super good Vital Veggie Mask. So this is what the packaging looks like, and this LMS Veggie Mask retails for $35. And if you're like me and you have no idea what a veggie mask is, well, let's figure it out. So get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. Pretty cool. So directions: apply the mask twice weekly on cleansed skin. A slight tingling may occur while the mask works its magic. Removed after 10 minutes with a damp, dark cloth. Damp, dark. Why does that have to be dark? Weird. Okay, so I will try this out in a different video just because I have already done my skincare stuff today. So I will do this in a separate video, but I'm actually interested to see how my skin feels and reacts to this because, as you guys know, I love skincare. So $35 so far, that's pretty cool. Let's put a tally on my phone so I don't have to add it all up at the end. Where is my calculator? Nope, that's calendar. Fuck. Why can I never find things on my phone? Here it is. Alright, so we're at $35. The next thing that I see is the Luxygia? Unleash your true beauty by being kind to the earth. Please help keep our planet beautiful by recycling this package. That's actually really awesome that they didn't send it in plastic. I absolutely love this. So I'm assuming this is a brush set from Luxy. As you guys know, I am obsessed with Luxy. All of my brushes, besides like a few, are Luxy, and I absolutely adore their brushes. They work so well, they're so soft, and I just love them. So this is the Luxy 3-piece brush set. So this retails for $30. So create the perfect look with your new eco-friendly Luxy brush set. Okay, that's freaking amazing that it's eco-friendly. Oh, I love that. Okay, so, oh, interesting. So they're made out of wood now, I think, because their old brushes were more of like, I don't know if I can really explain. So here is one of the new brushes, and do you see how it has like wood almost markings on it? It literally looks like it's made out of wood, and it feels kind of like it's made out of wood, whereas their old brushes are like a shiny, it's very much like, it feels the same, but it doesn't have like the wood marking on it. So maybe it's just like a different style that they're going for, or if it's actually made of wood, I'm not sure. I think this is made out of plastic, and this one may be made out of wood, I'm hoping. But this is what one of the brushes looks like up close. This is a foundation brush, and this is just one of my old brushes. But this is the foundation brush. This is the layered eye blending brush, and this is the Luxy Precision Crease Brush. So now I finally have an actual crease brush. I don't have to use a lip brush anymore, and that is really awesome. So these are eco-friendly, and they retail for $30. I am so in love with this idea. I am. So they sent it out in a recyclable package, which is absolutely amazing. Cut down on use of plastic. Love it. So we are at another $30, so we are at $65 now. And the next thing that I see is Alamar Cosmetics. So as you guys know, in the past we've gotten stuff from Alamar. I believe we've gotten 2 palettes from them, one of them being the blush trio that I have right here. Looks like this. And then we've gotten the Alamar, like her very first palette that we got a couple summers ago. So this is the Alamar Cosmetics in the shade Des Nude as Lip Gloss. That's literally what it says. A long-lasting thickening formula that conditions the lips while delivering high shine and full pigmentation. Wear it alone or over our new Des Nude as lip liners. Okay, so we just got the lip gloss, so that's really cool. It looks like this, so it is like a nude, pretty dark color. Let's open it and see. So it's a fairly nude, it's a very nude lipstick. It looks really nice. I don't really go for nude lipsticks. I kind of more branch off into the colorful side of things, but I'll definitely give this a try because I don't have any of their lip glosses. So this retails for $15, so that's pretty standard for a lipstick lip gloss. I don't usually go for lip glosses, so this will be interesting for me. I definitely want to try it though. So this was $15, so we're now at $80. And the packaging is actually really cute. I'll zoom in. So this is what the packaging looks like. It has Alamar across it, and it has a little flower, little design at the bottom here. It looks pretty cute. I definitely like it, and that is obviously the color that the lipstick is. When you pull it out, it's just a classic nude lipstick on a doe foot applicator. So like I said, I don't usually go for glosses, but I'll definitely give it a try. And the next thing that I see in here is a Appeal eyeliner. So this is a gel liner in the color Forest Green. So this retails for $21. So it says line and define your eyes or lips with your new Appeal gel liner. So this is both a lip liner and an eyeliner, which is pretty cool. I don't think I have any forest green eyeliners or forest green lip liners, so that is interesting. I definitely don't have any lipsticks that are forest green, so I don't know how well this is going to work for lining my lips before lipstick. Can I even open this?
Several days later.
Ha! Got it in one go. So it is a forest green lip liner, and oh, it's actually really pretty. So it's obviously forest green. It looks really nice. It'll look really pretty on the eyes, I think. I don't think I'll use it on my lips just because I don't have any colors that are really this kind of forest green, but I think it looks really pretty. So this is the color that it is. It's by the brand Appeal, and that is the shade on my hand. It looks pretty nice actually. I'll definitely try it out in a future video. So that retails for $21, so it's pretty cool. I really like the color. And the last thing that I see in the box this month is a eyeshadow palette. So this is by the brand Butter London, and this retails for $32. So let's just quickly add that up. So the total of this month's box was $133, so that's pretty great considering I only paid $36 for it. So this is the brand Butter London, and this is what it looks like. So, oh, we actually got some color this month. So this is what it looks like. It is a very gorgeous palette. It has like a pop of blue, then it goes to a brown, then like a more like a tan color, then a green, then another shimmery kind of, oh, I'm sorry, this isn't really tan. Blue, brown, oh no, it was tan. Blue, brown, tan, green, pink, and kind of like a gold, I guess, similar to like a gold kind of, maybe like rose gold kind of color. It's really pretty. So I will swatch these on my hand for you. We get 6 different shades. We get 4 shimmers and 2 mattes. So that's really pretty. This is definitely a palette that I probably want to use with another palette in the future. I'm not going to do a look with this palette today because I have another entire look that I'm going to be doing after this video to go with my new wig that I have to do a review for, and these colors just wouldn't really go with the wig color that I chose, so hint, it's bright yellow. So I will swatch these really quickly for you guys on my hands. So I'm going to go with Fume Fatale, so it's blue, so it's really pretty. It's like a teal kind of color. And then we gotta go Temptress, just a brown, Then we got Diva, which is like a gold copper color. Then we got Star, which is that gorgeous green. And then we have Queen, which was that pink. And then we got Enchantress, which was kind of like that rose. Actually, it's showing up more gold than it is rose. So that's what the colors look like. I really like the shimmers. They're really, really gorgeous. They're definitely really shimmery. The mattes don't really swatch that well, but I'm hoping that they look better on the eye and on a brush than they do just on a swatch, but they actually do look really pretty. So for $32, that's actually a really pretty like neutral, it's neutral with like a pop of color in this eyeshadow palette, and I think it's really pretty. I don't remember if I have anything by the brand Butter London as for eyeshadow. I know we've gotten some blushes in the past by this brand, but I don't think I have any eyeshadow palettes. I actually really like that it's so small and compact, and you can definitely take it with you when you're traveling. It's not like a giant ass palette that you literally can't travel with. So I really like that, and it has some really nice neutral colors, so more like wearable and everyday looks. So this was a really interesting concept for a box this month. Everything was very like nature kind of related, like all of the packaging is really like flowery and like a wood kind of color. Even the lip gloss was like the wood color. We got like the veggie mask, and we got like a green eyeliner and brushes that come in like a biodegradable package with like wood on the handles. I think it was a really cool concept. I'm hoping that brands in the future are going to start more gravitating towards using less plastic and less of that garbage shit that does nothing but pollute the world. I'm hoping that more brands are going to stop using plastic, because we really don't need it. Like, this was the only thing that really had plastic on it in this box, so that's really great. But so far I really liked this box this month for For $133, it was a pretty good box. I definitely don't have any complaints about it this month. I definitely think that it is 100% worth it. If you guys don't already have BoxyCharm, I will link them down below in my description box so you guys can check them out, because they are definitely worth checking out if you aren't already a subscriber. You definitely get about 5 to 6 different full-size products every single month, and then you can sign up with Boxy Luxe, which is like 8 to 10 items of full-size products for like $50 every 3 months, and it's just really great. I have so many products built up that I need to go over and review with you guys that I just haven't had a chance to, and now I have even more products, and it's just amazing. I'm really excited to try out this mask. I may try it out tonight in a video and see what I think of it, but so far this box was really great, and I'm really happy that I got it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at my next video. Bye!